Hello, my name is Paul LeJoy. I'm the managing broker here at the Money Market. Today, I'm going to share with you how to grow your business exponentially. Do you know someone who does not have a social security number but would like to buy a house in America? Do you have any foreign clients who are having problems with their down payments? Have they tried to apply for a mortgage but have been turned down because of the high debt to income ratio? Who do we help? Foreign borrowers, borrowers with no legal documentation, self-employed borrowers. Foreign borrowers. Who's a foreign borrower? Let's say you have somebody come here from China and they like it in California or New York or anywhere else, and they want to buy a property. They have their job in China, in Canada, in Mexico, in the UK. They have, so long as they can document that job there in Canada, their income in Canada, or in any foreign country, that person is a foreign borrower. They might have an ITIN. That's it. They don't have a social security card. Number two, that's borrowers without any legal status. Borrow, you all know that. Millions of Americans or millions of people that live in America who are not Americans, right? These people qualify. Now, let's talk about how these borrowers can qualify, especially those that are here in this country. We can use their profit and loss statement. If they are outside the country, we can use their overseas income to qualify them. And of course, we can use their bank statements, whether they're here in this country or overseas. So long as we can document that, we can use our bank statements. We can use 3 months of bank statements. We can use 12 months of bank statements or 24 months of bank statements. The longer the period, the better the interest rate. The next one is basically asset depletion. Okay, asset depletion. What is that? A lot of people don't know what asset depletion is. Say, for example, somebody wants to buy a property here in the Bay Area for $1 million, right? They have $1 million in the bank. Are we going to tell them to buy that property, to spend $1 million to buy that property? No, of course not. They can use the money they have in the bank and only put 20% of that money in to buy the property, right? We'll use 20%, not 100% of the money they have. And now, because they have the remaining amount, let's say $800,000 in the bank, we're going to use that as your income. All we have to do is basically, we need 36 months of what? Reserves. Somebody lost their job here in the Bay Area. Okay, I'm just diverting a little bit. But they have a restaurant here, and this what happened last year. People had restaurants, and guess what happened? They now could not afford to live in the Bay Area. But the house in the Bay Area is worth $1.2 million. They only owe $600,000 on the property, and they want to move to Algrove, to another part of California that's not expensive. And they sell their house here in the Bay Area, and they walk away with $600,000. Are you going to tell them to buy the house in Algrove, Sacramento, and spend $600,000, buy the house cash? They could do that if they want to. But come to us, we use what they call asset depletion. They don't even need to have a job. They don't need to have that restaurant running. They can use an equity in the property or 20% down payment on the property, and they qualify. So this is a great way that we can help you grow your business. Higher debt to income ratio up to 55%. Wow. Flexible underwriting guidelines. Gift funds are allowed. And then you have 12-month income documentation, and foreign accounts also allowed. So let's talk about this one here, higher debt to income ratio. So typically when you do a loan, right, the highest debt to income ratio that they require when you do full documentation is typically less than 50%. But this program is pretty aggressive. They can go up to 55% debt to income ratio because the underwriting guidelines are more flexible so long as you have 20% equity in the property. So this is amazing. So even allow gift funds, right? So gift funds are also allowed. The 20% can be gift funds, or sometimes they just want you to have 5% of your own money. So now you see how we can help you grow your business. This is one aspect. Here at the Money Market, We are the Amazon for mortgage solutions. That means we have a plethora of mortgage solutions for you to help you grow your business. And we can do that. I hope that you learned something from what we presented today, that this is just one aspect of the many mortgage solutions that we can provide you to help grow your business. My name is Paul LeJoy. I'm your managing broker here. If you need any help to grow your business, I'll be there to assist you. Thank you so much for watching.